How to use RingCentral. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on using unified RingCentral app to message, call, host or join video meetings and send texts and faxes, manage contacts and collaborate using tasks and file sharing. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to head over to the official website of RingCentral, that is ringcentral.com. Click the download button, choose between the Windows or Mac version based on your device. Once the app is downloaded, it should appear in your browser's download bar or folder. Install it as you would any software. After installation, launch the RingCentral app and sign in. So you'll notice a clean and minimal interface. From the dashboard, you can monitor active users, message history, video meeting records, phone logs, departments and team analytics, trends in user activity, feature usage reports. Everything is laid out in easy to access tabs, message, phone, and video. So inside the RingCentral dashboard, you'll spot various performance widgets, customer care metrics, call volume, agent status, queue monitoring, live service levels, custom widgets. You can even add more panels to customize your view depending on what your team needs. To start a conversation, you can hit the new message button to chat with coworkers or create group chats for departments or projects. Click Create a Team to form dedicated spaces for ongoing collaboration. Inside any chat or team space, you can send files and attachments, share images or documents, create tasks, and schedule events directly in the chat. This keeps all communication clean, structured, and easy to track. So once you open the dashboard, at the top left corner, you'll see your profile icon. Clicking on it lets you manage accounts, check your availability status, and access your main settings like audio input, output devices, and app preferences. On the left sidebar, you have your main navigation tabs. This is where all your conversation happens, individual chats, groups, threads, or teams. And we also have a video tab that will handle the meetings. You can schedule, join, or manage video calls. In the main workspace, you're currently in the Messages tab. At the top, you've got the search bar to find conversations or contacts quickly. Below that, you'll see your favorites. These are pinned conversations or teams you talk to often. And right in the middle, you have the actual chat window open. Here, you can send and receive messages, attach files or images, react to messages, use slash commands like /task to create tasks if supported by your plan. You can also create teams for different projects or departments, making it easier to keep chats organized and focused. Basically, everything you need for team communication all in one clean layout. So that is basically how you can use the RingCentral application. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.